This movement illustrates the goal, catching a market reversal at the source. This is the 1-minute rectangle scalping strategy, a mechanical and repeatable system for identifying these specific entry points. The core of this system is the math. By refining where you enter, you can maintain a tight stop loss while looking for take-profit zones of 3-to-1 or higher. Because the setup is based on price action, you can scan for it at any time of day, provided that your chart uses standard candlesticks. It is highly versatile. It can be applied to the NASDAQ, major tech indices, and traditional equities. It is equally effective for forex pairs, such as the pound-to-dollar exchange. Relying on a single mechanical shape provides a set of objective rules. This structure helps you filter out low-quality setups that don't meet the criteria before they cost you money. To start, you need to scan your chart for a high-probability range. This serves as the structural foundation for every trade we take. First, the range must be anchored, hitting a key historical level or liquidity zone. Next is strength, requiring a candle to move forcefully through a previous high or low, closing decisively past it. The third criterion, the fresh range, is specifically designed to help you avoid entering on a fakeout. Look at the difference. On the left, we see an exhausted, long-running trend. On the right, a brand new reversal point. You want to focus on these fresh reversals. Fourth is the optional imbalance. This occurs when a gap is left unfilled between consecutive candles as price moves away from the range. When you verify all 4 of these criteria, you turn a random patch of market noise into a structured zone with clear predictive parameters. Once the range is established, we hunt for one specific candlestick pattern within that imbalance zone. We are looking for weakness. This happens when price attempts to sweep a high but fails to close above it. That failure leaves behind physical evidence on your chart in the form of a long wick. While a solid-bodied candle represents strength and continuation, these long wicks represent the opposite. This long wick indicates that the buyers have completely exhausted their upward momentum, strongly suggesting that a reversal is likely to follow. Now that we have our signal, we use the rectangle tool to define the entry territory. Place your first coordinate exactly at the closing price of that weakness candle, the edge where the solid body ends. Drag the box to the very peak of the wick and extend it to the right. This shaded area is your sniper zone. Avoid the common error of drawing the box over the entire candle. It must only cover the wick. Keeping this rectangle as narrow as possible is what allows for the tight risk-to-reward ratio that defines this strategy. With your zone marked, drop your chart down to the 1-minute time frame to wait for the trigger. The entry trigger occurs when a 1-minute candle moves out of the rectangle and closes completely outside of it. If a candle just pokes through the box without closing, stay out of the trade. Your stop loss is placed exactly above the high of the original wick. For your take profit, look for a strict 3-to-1 reward ratio or the next major structural level on the chart. Requiring a full 1-minute candle closure helps to confirm that market momentum has shifted, rather than reacting to a temporary move through the zone. When the precise criteria align, the price action moves aggressively away from your zone and reaches the target. You have just converted a single chart wick into a mechanical, low-risk entry system. Take this setup to a demo account first. Focus on practicing how to identify fresh ranges before you commit real capital. You can find the full set of rules in my free ebook, or join our trading school to see these setups in live markets. Thanks for watching.